This customer had a leaking water main that needed to be replaced. This was a tougher job because of the rocky terrain and soil found in North Georgia. This meant most of the trenching has to be done with a tractor. The trench is dug from the water main to the inlet of the house. Anything the tractor can't reach is hand dug. While the new trench is being dug, the old yard hydrant is dug up and removed. Inside the house, a new pressure reducing valve is being installed. The old one is cut out, then the new one gets prepped with Teflon tape and its fittings are attached. Then it's glued in place. The old water line is cut outside the house and under it. The new water line is then attached. With the water line connected to the house, the new line is run all the way to the water main. The line is then connected at the main. A T is added to the line so the new line can be run to the new yard hydrant. The hydrant is prepped with its new fittings, installed and concreted in place. With everything hooked up and tested, the trench is then backfilled. With the trench filled, it is then compacted with the tractor. If you have a plumbing issue like this or any other plumbing need, please feel free to call us at 678-403-1071.